If you love tiny magical crochet projects, you are going to love this one. Welcome to my channel everyone, I'm Key. In today's video, I'll show you every steps of how to crochet this adorable star with angel wings. Super quick, super cute, and perfect for Christmas decorations, gifts, or accessories. Before we jump in, a quick favor, please like, comment, and share this video. And from my little crochet corner to yours, getting into the Christmas spirit early, wishing you a lovely early Merry Christmas. Making a pair of wings and a simple star, then joining them into one charming piece. For this project, you need a medium weight yarn. A standard acrylic yarn works perfectly. A scissor to cut yarn, 2.5 mm hook, yarn needle to weaving ends. Let's start with the foundation chains. Hold the yarn like this, anti-clockwise the hook like this twice. Hold the bottom loop and pull the yarn through the loop. We are going to make chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After chain 9, yarn over hook. We count back to third stitch, first, second, third, insert hook to third stitch to make a half double crochet. After this half double crochet, we need to make 5 double crochets in the following 5 stitches. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochets, 5 double crochets, and crochet 2 double crochets in the last stitch. Insert the hook to this stitch. Make 1 double crochet and make another 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Crochet chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn to the other side. Skip the first stitch, snip stitch to the second stitch. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Snip stitch to the next stitch. Chain 8. Snip stitch to the next stitch. Chain 8 again. Snip stitch to the next stitch. We've already did 4 chain space, chain 9 and 3 chain 8 space. Now the following one is chain 7. Snip stitch to the next stitch. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Snip stitch to the next stitch and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Snip stitch to the last stitch. Chain 1 and pull the yarn tight. Pull it straight, make it neat and tidy. And this is how the wing look like. Cut off the yarn and weaving ends. We are going to use yarn needle here to weaving ends. And cut off the rest of the yarn. Using the same way to weave in the other ends. Go different directions. And cut off the rest of the yarn. I'm still going to crochet with you for the other wing. I might go a little bit faster as we already go through all that. Make a chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yarn over hook. Insert the hook to the third stitch to make 1 half double crochet. And make 5 double crochets in the following 5 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 2 double crochets in the last stitch. Chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn it over. Skip the first stitch and snip stitch to the second stitch and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Snip stitch to the next stitch and chain 8. Snip stitch to the next stitch and chain 8. Snip stitch to the next stitch and chain 7. Snip stitch to the next stitch and chain 6. Snip stitch to the next stitch and chain 5. Snip stitch to the last stitch and chain 1. Pull the yarn tight, cut off the yarn. Make it neat and tidy. And using the same method to weaving ends. Cut off the rest of the yarn. Weaving the ends from the other side. Cut off the ends. Wings are completed. Now we are going to crochet this star. Start with the magic circle. Hold the yarn like this. Grab the yarn on the ring finger. Pull the yarn through. Chain 1. It's magic circle down. Chain 1. Now we are going to make 1 half double crochet in the magic circle. If you are a beginner, put a pin in this first stitch so you know where to do the snip stitch to join around. So I got some ends I cut off before, so I'll just use it here for the mark. Now we need to crochet 10 half double crochets in the magic circle in total. We just made 2 half double crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull the circle smaller. 9, 10. Make sure you have 10 half double crochets. Pull the yarn tight and snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. put the ends on top of the hook. Chain 1 after the snip stitch. We do 2 stitches as a set from this round. 1 single crochet from the first stitch. Yarn over hook, make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. And 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2. Another 1 double crochet in the same stitch. And 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. So the pattern for this round is make 1 single crochet from the first stitch, and in the second stitch we make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet. Following, we are going to repeat this pattern for another 4 times. 1 single crochet to the next stitch, and to the following stitch we make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 2, and in the same stitch we make another 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet to the next stitch. To the next stitch we make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, in the same stitch 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet to the next stitch, 1 half double crochet to the next stitch, and in the same stitch make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet to the next stitch, and 1 half double crochet to the next stitch. In the same stitch make 1 double crochet, chain 2, another 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. I've already cut off the yarn. This is how much of the yarn I'm going to use to join wings. I'm going to show you how to use the yarn needle to join the wings to the star. We're going to join here to this part of the wing. Move the wings slightly toward the back of the star. And this is how it looks like from the back. Push the needle down here. You don't have to use the exactly way to join them. And we are going to collect this point, so we just join them together like this. I'm going to show you in the way that doesn't show the yellow color yarn on the back. If I show it this way, then it will show the yellow color of the yarn on the back. Try to avoid that. Following, I'm going to show the exactly way how I do it. We're weaving ends this way, all the way through to the middle, and instead of pushing the needle all the way through, we do the way that you normally weaving ends on the side of the wings. Please just see this part without explanation, because I think you don't have to use the exactly same way to join. As long as you join the wing and the star together, that will be fine. If you want this different angle, you move it a little bit upper or lower. Join them the way you like. It looks good on both sides using this joining method. Please use the same way to join the other wing. Cut off the rest of the yarn. We'll start with wings is done. Please like, comment and share if this tutorial helped you, and subscribe for weekly crochet tutorials and daily crochet ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time.